Hello, in this video I'll show you how to use Canva as a replacement for Google Jamboard. So we're going to use the whiteboard design here in Canva to act similarly as Google Jamboard. So when you open up a whiteboard design, you will notice that it's completely blank here. It does populate some templates for you if you would like to use one of those. All you have to do is click on it and it will insert the template into your design. And all of the things you see here within the template are completely editable. You can change the images, you can change the text and the categories, you can change the sticky notes, all of that kind of good stuff. So I'm not going to use a template, I'm just going to show you some of the features here. So in Canva Whiteboard, you have similar features as any other design that you might use in Canva. Your text is very, very similar. You can upload things. But what I wanted to show you is under Elements, and this is your sticky notes. So your sticky notes are one way that teachers often use Google Jamboard to throw in basically digital sticky notes and have students categorize different vocabulary terms or different concepts. And so that is a feature that teachers have really been missing from Google Jamboard. So this has built-in sticky notes. So if I click on sticky notes, it will just insert them into my whiteboard. And so I can move these around. I can resize them if I want to resize them. I can add text or, different terms or that kind of thing into my sticky notes as well. And then if I decide that I need a multiple of each color, I can click on the color I need more of and select this duplicate icon, and then it will just duplicate. They're all the exact same size, they're the same color, and I can move them around however I would like to do that. You also have different font options and different things like that within the whiteboard. You can put images in here. You have tons of different things that are also available in some of your other Canva designs. But I want to show you how to push this out to students on Google Classroom. So you will, once you've got your design set up, you're ready to use it, you will click Share. And then you should see this assignment button. We're actually not going to use the Google Classroom button. We're going to use the assignment button. If you don't see it, you might have to come over here to see all. So I'm going to click on assignment, and then I'm going to click where they're going to submit their work, and in this case it'll be Google Classroom. And then I'm going to push this out very similar to Google Classroom, where you can create a template for each student. You can give them view only access, except here it's called instructions only. Or you can give them all edit access to one Canva whiteboard. That's what I'm going to do just for the purpose of this video. And then once you select that, you're going to click on Publish. And it is going to pop up a little Google Classroom pop-up for you, and then it's going to have you go through the motions selecting which class you want to push this out to. So I'm going to go to, I have a sample classroom, let me find it, practice classroom, there we go. And then create assignment and hit go. And from here, it is going to give me, make this a little bit bigger, it's going to give me the assignment screen that I would normally see in Google Classroom, sample Jamboard / whiteboard. And then I can give additional instructions, select my topic and my due date, but for this purpose, I'm just going to click assign. And then you have the option to view that in Google Classroom right away as well. So that is how you would create a Canva whiteboard to replace Google Jamboard, and then push that out through Google Classroom for your students. Thank you so much for watching.